have yet another Temu haul. White bags now. What next? This is a combo haul. This was a tiny order. And then I have a regular order. This is all stuff I bought. Anyway, by the way, it's not an influencer thing. So I forgot what I got here. Oh, this stuff is awesome. This is that. Let me open it up. Cool. This is that tinsel trim. That's pretty good. I tried getting a cerise color. It's sort of a reddish pink shade, and it's like this. It's really, this is nice stuff. And you could unwind this and make it thinner, more sparse. It's like 5 strands woven in this. So I have silver and I have this cerise, but it's really cheap. It's like $1.27. So this is a good deal. Now I just need to find time to make something with it. And what else do I have? I don't have much in here. That's all I had in there. I think I had another one of those compacts. These are just little goofy tags to put on my pet pig's harness thing. Service dog on, or emotional support. And they just Velcro on, which is kind of a joke because it's a tiny critter, but serviceable critter. And these were like 89 cents, I think. Yeah. That was that. There was some other stuff that I gave. That was my mom's. That went. Oh, this is a little harness for my pet pig, but it's still a little teeny bit big. This is an extra small. It's so small that the sticker won't even stick on. So I'm gonna have to maybe make a little T-shirt, but it goes like this. But it's a little big. And this is the extra small. We'll see. I don't know. You can grow into it. And this is just a leash that came with it. It looks like an okay leash. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. So there's that. And then these are going to go back. This is way too big. Way too big. So this one has the stickers on it. I guess these Velcro. Yeah, they Velcro on. Emotional support. This was an extra small. This is an extra small. Oh, this one's going back. Dang it. It's real cute too. Look, it's this nice kind of a Burberry plaid thing. It's a loop here. But I don't know. I don't think he'll, unless I start feeding him a bunch. I don't think he'll fit in that. And the other one I got, this one's too big too. This one's really neat. Look, it's camo, it's snazzy, but it's way too big. This is an extra small. Their sizing is crazy. It's just like the people clothes. So that one's going back too, unfortunately. But I'll keep that one there. I took a couple cups in it. Oh, this is that. This stuff is very good. Let me see. It's called Candy Bella. This is the third one I've done. You know, I think I have even another one. They're only like $3 or $4. And it's a primer. Let's see if I can get it out here. They call it a powder, but this is not powdery at all. Oh, boy, this is really reflecty. You get this little spongy thing, but it like minimizes your pores. It makes your face super smooth. It feels really smooth. Benefit used to make something like this, and now I can't find it. But it's this. It's, yeah, see, it's not a powder, but it's like a silicone. It's very, I don't know how else to describe it, but it's very nice. I like this one a lot. And for the price, you can't beat it. So far, it hasn't made me break out. The face creams, all made me break out eventually. So I had to go back to square one, and I'm not using anything now, which is awful. And this is for my pet pig. This is about as big as he is. Let's see if I can get this out of here. We had all sorts of funny chicken legs, and I guess it's supposed to be a steak bone. I think he'll like this kind of, oh, it's squishy. Oh, that's kind of neat. Oh, it's got a squeaky in there. Oh, you heard that. Okay. Shh. Oh, it's got good ears. And this is just it. Oh, come on out of there, you. This is just a kind of a rubber ball thing. These always end up under the couch. I don't know. I don't care where you throw, what direction you throw it. It's going to go under a piece of furniture. So, we got that, and I've got another couple more. Oh. These are silicone toothbrushes for dogs. Coco can use this too. And this is like a teething thing. I think this is supposed to be for a cat, but I think this will be okay. If he starts pulling this stuff off, then it's going in the garbage. But it's kind of squishy and weird. It's kind of cool. And we'll see how this holds up. He's not really tearing stuff up. And then it doesn't have a squeak in it, but it's flexible enough to be chewy. See? Goo goo, I'm a baby. Oh, it's got a, oh, it does have a little bell in there. So I think that is all I have. Yes, that's it. That's what I've got. I probably got more on the way. Don't remember exactly what it is, but that's all I have. So adios. I'll see you later.